fans and customers at ODD Cafe in Salcedo Village, Makati, had a chance to see SB19 member Justin taking orders, preparing coffee, and serving customers. The popular artist was seen engaging with customers, showcasing a friendly and approachable side of himself.
Justin's appearance at ODD Cafe was part of a collaboration with the establishment who launches special limited edition coffee called Don 19. The new beverage is a delightful coffee-based drink featuring notes of vanilla and high milk tea, crafted exclusively for this partnership. The Don 19 will be available from June 24th to July 2nd and can only be enjoyed at the ODD Cafe branch located in Salcedo Village, Makati.
Yes.
Dahon 19 drink niyo po.
Yes po.
Thank you po.
Wow.
Yes po. Pwede po manghingi ng tip. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Lumipas maraming taon, magbago man ang lahat sa mundo, mananatili.
Why is it so funny to me that there's ano po yung drink?
Yes po. Have a nice day po.
Taon, lumipas maraming taon, magbago man ang lahat.